Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can change the interface body background color in Elementor. So let's get started. First, on the left panel here you can see setting gear icon. Click on that. Now here you can see page style. Click on style, and here on the bottom you can see body style. Just click on that. First we are gonna use color. Just click on classic. You can add gradient color also from here. Okay, I am just using classic color, and just pick your color from here. And if you want to add image in background part, you can do it very easy. So you can add it from here. Just click on image and select your image. Now the image set for the body. So this is how you can add color or image in your page body style. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.